What's up everybody, Carpal Nutrition here, and today I want to talk to you about the Hart 20 volt rinser. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is Hart's 20 volt rinser. This kit was 99 bucks, came with a 2 amp hour battery. They rate this thing at 38 gallons of water per charge on that 2 amp hour battery. Water storage, or I'm sorry, battery storage is completely waterproof. This is cool. This has a 12 volt input for a truck vehicle. It comes with a cord to plug into the truck. This is a 70-30 psi, so on battery it'll run 70 psi. If you plug it into the truck, it'll run 30 psi. Out of the hose, I guess, to consume less battery off the truck. It's got a good stream. So we got this. We go to a lot of secluded beach access points. We're about 15 minutes from the beach, so we spend a lot of time at the beach. And this thing helps because where we go, there's no rinse off stations. So this acts as a portable shower for the kids. 5 gallon onboard water storage. Like I said, that battery will run you 38 gallons before it dies, so that's pretty cool. 99 bucks from Walmart, shipped to my door. Honestly, it's worth its weight. Onboard light, which is cool. Pressure gauge is pretty cool because the thing just doesn't run. It'll get up to pressure and then shut off so it doesn't burn the pump out. These are all quick connects. Honestly, $99, it's well worth it. Even if you're doing like remote gardening and you have to garden things like this where your hose doesn't reach, or what may be the case, 99 bucks is definitely worth it. As you can see, it's on our beach card here. We're getting ready to go to the beach. I just filled the thing up. And yeah, if you're a beach goer, this is definitely something you should have. Honestly, I've used it about 6 or 7 times, and it's keeping the sand out of the truck tremendously. So check it out. Walmart Hart. Sandy goggles are never fun, but with the Hart rinser, they're a thing of the past. Sand gets on everything, obviously, as you probably know, especially waxed skim boards. So, quick little hose off. Before throwing them back in the truck. Saves me from having to clean the truck so often. If you are a beach goer or outdoorsman where you need to wash off and not use a water bottle, this would be the tool for you. Honestly, I think it was 110 shipped to my door from Walmart with a battery. So full kit, everything you see in the picture, hose, and it's got that 12 volt adapter also. Yeah, you need this. Go check it out.